These one I'm gonna end up going with right here. Thanks to my homeboy B. He gonna have me beaten. Remember I told you I was gonna get some sounds. Now I gotta go ahead and cash the man out. 4 Alpine Type R's. I think it's 1,000 a piece. 1,000 a piece. RMS. And the old Pro Box. Paint what? You can't do that. Get the fuck out. Put some Bulldog on them.
Scuff them up. Bulldog.
Real? Yeah. Don't be fucking with me, man.
I'm dead serious. Because they got so much of that dust and shit on them.
I'll just clean them up.
Just take the red Scotch-Brite and just scuff them up.
And I can paint them red.
And tape around the rubber shit.
Well,
red.
Well, we might get some red Type R's in this motherfucker.
That'll be kind of hot.
My shit already set up.
I was thinking about painting my shit.
It's set up perfectly for this shit already. So it's gonna be back 2 amps again.
Fuck this shit up.
And the box gonna fuck this Chevy up.
I love this box.
See, my homeboy, he had ordered this for his shit in that Monte Carlo, but it's too goddamn big to fit in there. So he gonna do the 312 Pro Box. Y'all stay tuned for that.
Put a little fiberglass Bondo in there and put some tape over there to hold it down. And then take that rhino line right back over.
I think I might rhino line the whole trunk, B.
Herculiner. They got that Herculiner and that rhino liner, all that shit at Walmart and Garner Foods and shit.
Rhino liner.
It's like it's called
Herculiner.
And some shit, armor field.
Got my beats in there. I be listening to my beats when I be riding on my moped. Thomas put a new motherfucking belt on there. Was it squeaking like a motherfucker? I bet you my AC be pumping now with that new belt. Motherfucker can't ride no shit without no AC, man. What? That belt? So B, what you say you going with in here? 3 what? What you say you going with in here? 3 what?
Three audio keys.
3 audio cues in the Pro Box.
Yep.
With the 2500.
Yes, sir.
With the audio control.
Yep. The Drive Plus.
That's the thing about having some good niggas with you, man. They look out for you. We look out for each other. The Pro Box looks so good in there. I'm just gonna keep looking at it. That motherfucker is posing in there.
I didn't like this shit on here, but now I like it.
See, first we was gonna cover that shit. Like fuck that Pro Box. Put like some. I might put 217 box Chevy or some shit on it. Nah, fuck that. It's gonna be turbo Pro Box, turbo bass. Fuck that. I don't give a fuck. Hercules lining, and then put the carpet back in there. And it'd be decent.
Man, I want this motherfucker to fit.
Yeah, that motherfucker fit perfectly in the shell ball. Oh, yeah. Them vents on the bottom. The motherfucker, you gotta have them vents. That's what make your shit hit right there. It's cool to have some niggas like sealed boxes. I like that vent. And this motherfucker right here gonna be. I might get on some bullshit and round these edges off in the inside. I won't fuck with it. Nah.
Slamming so hard.
I gotta find me some amps. So if y'all got any suggestions on 2 amps, I need 2. Go on them Alpine Type R's, huh? Alpine type bars. 2 amps. 412. Here they go right here. Sounds coming next, so y'all watch out for the update. Y'all know how y'all do. I tell you I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it.